Well, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Loncor Gold's channel, advancing projects in the Congo. In forefronting the industry today, Chief Executive Officer John Barker. Welcome back, sir.
A pleasure.
A pleasure to have you, man. So since we last spoke, you guys have been dropping news like it's going out of style right now. You just recently announced a PEA confirming a technical report of annual gold production of 303,000 ounces a year at a feed grade of 2.17 grams per ton, which is really decent. And this has an over 10-year life cycle to it. Do you want to kind of expand on that and any other relevant news surrounding it?
Yeah. We actually announced the bones of this about 6 weeks ago, but the technical document's now sitting with the TSX. And as you highlighted there, this is a medium to large size producer that we're looking at here. It's one of the preeminent deposits that's really emerging in the world. And that grade is phenomenal. It's a gram a ton over the majority of other producers in the area. So this is really exciting. I think also, gold price is now edging up for a number of reasons, starting to get more and more attention. And with that, of course, our valuation goes up. And the current prevailing spot price around 1840, our project's got an NPV value of $1 billion. It's $1 billion at 5%. We've got 85% of it, $850 million worth attributable to us. Our current market cap around $60 million. So that's where we stand on a huge discount. I think of around 7% of our underlying value. But I think in tandem with that, needless to say, with a project one of the highest quality grades out there and really emerging aggressively in size, we're starting to get some corporate interest. And we announced in tandem with that on the TSX announcement recently that we've got some corporate interest in the company too. Can't go into too much detail yet, but just to let you know, there's a few parties looking at us.
Yeah, it really seems like this is the time where I've noticed a lot of tech investors, a lot of other savvy investors are really shifting into some of these risk-off investments. So, I mean, it's pretty incredible to see what gold is going to be doing over the next quarter or two. Definitely something to keep an eye on. Expanding past that, I mean, you guys also just did a private placement, raised 2.7 million CAD. Do you want to talk a bit about your cash spend here, what you're utilizing this capital for?
Yeah, it's likely to close in the next week, and it's 5 million units, as you say. So it's going to be one share at 55 cents. So each unit's 55 cents per share, sorry. And one share plus a half warrant, 75 cents with a 2-year time frame. And we're going to use that. In the last 2 years, we've almost tripled our resource at 3.66 million ounces. We've got that PEA there. And now we have to put our head up and think where we're going to go over the next 12 to 24 months. So we're going to use this money to find out exactly where we want to be drilling. And in order to crank up resources and reserves and move towards a pre-feasibility study in the new year. So it's really a next 3-4 months, have a look on the ground, decide exactly what we want to do, and then let's go from there subsequently.
Awesome. I really appreciate these insights today, John. Lots to look forward to here as well. Thanks so much.
It's a pleasure.
On that note, folks, I pass the question off to you. Let us know what you think in that comment section below. Consider subscribing for that news as it comes down the wire, but stay cool, stay awesome. And as always, I look forward to catching you in the next one.